The packaging machine combination is suitable for instruction manual, remote control and other relative parts mixed packing in the vibrating bowl automatically feeding and the conveyor belt transports the packaging parts. The automatic card issuing the different instruction manuals automatically. The instruction manual and packaged parts will be combined for secondary packaging. This machine runs smoothly and can save labor cost. Packaging style can choose 4-side seal or 2-side seal. The finished product is packed beautiful and sealed firm.